Hey, hello, welcome guys. This is Real CAD Cam Solution. This is a continued video of Upload Plan Part 1. If you are not watching the Part 1 video, go to the description and get to the link and go to watch that video and come after to this video. Okay. Today we're going to watch a continuous part. Last video we just finished one single floor plan. It's a ground floor one. I have a two plan, ground floor and G+1, first floor. Okay. Today we are going to create some floors and section elevations and color highlight to this interior sections and detailings. Today we are going to see first of all color pink present here. I just give the color to this window section. Just hold like this, click and to the windows and the doors. First of all I just click to this window and last one this. Okay, I just want to change the color type. Here's not only selected like this. Okay, I just selected all the window sections and going to this match properties. I just change the object color. I want to change like this, red color or yellow color. Here I place the yellow color because yellow is very highlight to the background and to the object color. That's why I present the yellow. Okay, and then I just draw here a lintel sunshade slab. My window section is 4 feet cross 4 feet. I just choose to this 5 feet across over the window because bisect into two of like a 6-inch left side spacing and a 6-inch right side spacing. That's why I choose a 5 feet. Okay, here I choose 1 feet 9-inch long distance, and then here I choose 5 feet, and here I just choose 1 feet 9 inches. Okay, it's presented over here. I just want to join the line like this. J enter, wholly selected and then enter. Here presented, click and go to, I want to change like this dotted lines. Okay, so I just click this line and go to the line type and click, go to other and load the settings and go to the dotted lines. I like this dotted lines. Just click OK and load here, and then click here to this line. Click OK. Then select it to this line and click the line type and go to change the properties like this. Okay, if you want to change the scale properties, just like a small line, just selected over the line and click the right click, go to the properties and then go to the line type. Here it's come to 1. I just to change 0.5. it change like this. Okay, and then just to color to the lintel slab like an red color or like this. Okay, now I change the color like this and go to move to the window section. Okay, I just click over all the window section area. Just rotate over here. And go to move the toolbar and click here. And then copy over the all lintel section area. Just place it to the near to the window. Here. Okay. Lintel sunshade area is already closed, and then I just place it to inside the some design center furniture items. Okay, you have to go to design center, DC enter, and go to this 3 important steps: home space, house designer and kitchen. This 3 is very important. I just choose this first home space. Go to the blocks. Here's a bedroom, bed and sofas like that. Amenity furniture is also presented here. I just choose the bed first of all. Just double click over here, then OK, then place it here. and then I choose this sofa and just click OK, just place it here. And whatever you want to choose to place inside the home, you have to load to the outside. This chair I want, okay, I just choose to here, and then I just going to choose the kitchen amenity area. I go to the block settings. I want to kitchen layout like this, to place it over here. I just close it here. Next I just choose the sink area like this. Okay, the basic setups you want to choose to place it, whatever anything you have to choose, just search to this design center. I just want to move into this my interior house. Go to move toolbar and click to the inside to the home. I just go to rotate like the way of my design. Okay, it just finished. I want to change here some toilet area is it's present on empty. I want to place some toilet areas like this. Okay, bathtub, water closet like that. I want to place on bathtub here and a water closet here. Then whatever you want to place it on, you just take and load it. It's the sink old design on top view. I just click and move it. Here choose my bathtub. I want to change the furniture color. Okay, I want to change the furniture color, so give the select similar. Here not presented because one table is presented here, that's why. I want to select it all over the furniture. First of all, you want to change the color like this. It's just not change like this because these all sections are getly joined. So I want to move like this and go to explode all the diagrams. Explode means X-center, so it's a cheat. Then click over all the sections, objects, and just change the object color, whatever you want to choose the furnitures. I just choose like this, it's nice, and then go to more. Here I choose. Okay, this is a best variation of plan. Whatever it is and whatever it is you want, you have to know about like detailing, so you have to choose like this. Okay, it's also changed. And now finally we're going to take a elevation. Our plan is get ready, and here's the name is ground floor. The name is ground floor. So place it okay. It's nice. My G+1 also is same repeated to the first floor. So ground floor is easily copied to the second floor. Copy to like this. The same also my first floor. Okay, this is my ground floor plan, and this is my first floor plan. It's a mistake. Okay, it's my ground floor, this is my first floor. Okay, the same as actually presented here, and my final roof plan, and it gets some one room on top of the roof. Go to the settings. I think it's 30 cross 40. I just choose the rectangle and just draw to the dimension. It's 30 feet cross 40 feet. Okay, I just offset to the 9-inch thickness of my rooftop parapet wall. So take like this, and here I come to the some area. The room size is 12 cross 10. First of all, 10 feet is must get a dimension. 10 feet and 12 feet. 8%. Okay. Then offset to 9 inches. Okay. Sorry, it offset take exterior side, because interior side is 12 feet cross 10 feet. Okay, here's nicely presented, and then explore like this. Go to the setting and delete it. Then go to join, select the line, join. Okay, then is join. Go to the move toolbar, click the move toolbar, and go to place it like this. Okay, and then you want to trim the incompleted line, so you may trim. If you use the trim command, it gives a shift, it gets extended. Okay, then I go to hatch setting, hatch enter, go to hatch, click, and go to my roof tile inside the roof area. Give the hatch command. It's a hatch enter. Choose you want to hatch like a tile or anything. Okay. I did not show anything because the size is very smaller. I choose to change the hatch scale. It's give the values 1. I want to change like a 20 something. It gets mildly show to visible. I want to change like 30. It's nice, but I want to change like 40. It's very nice. Okay. It's my rooftop. This is my room. This room is I want to use like a store room on rooftop, but its size is little different, so I'm going to change my room size. 12 feet cross 0 inch. Okay, it's really nice. And then go to the text, just draw like this and give the roof top area. Just click like this and go to the Times New Roman. It's very best best presentation format, so I choose like this rooftop area. Before you put the text and place like this, hatch is come to the outside to the text. I just change like this. First of all, delete this. Okay, I just move to center to the rooftop and go to the hatch, then present it here. Okay, it just come to like this. It's really impressive. And go to change the color. Nice, very nice. Okay, here I finish the 3 plan: ground floor plan, first floor plan, and roof plan. I want to change the name, roof plan. Okay, it's really impressive. I'm going to create an elevation. Okay, first of all, just to choose an elevation on my 3 section. First of all, elevation. First of all, you choose the construction line. That is a elevation starting one. Construction line means that's a long line. The command is XL enter. XL enter. First of all, choose the XL enter and go to the vertical line. It's horizontal, it's vertical. I want to choose this vertical. This is horizontal, this is vertical. So I just choose to the vertical vertical and go to the outer section of the elevation. I just choose this elevation, and then he has come to the window section. He has come to the door section. Okay, then anything not founded on the exterior side. In case here presented on some portico, you have to mention that portico. Like this, my already told yesterday old plan. This portico comes here. That's why he presented the. It's presented on the exterior side of the elevation. Go to trim this line like this. Trim this line like this, and then click to delete this line. Here the ground level, take offset to first of all 7 feet on lintel level. It's a 7 feet, and first of all you must take below 3 feet because it's basement level. Okay, and then you have to choose 3 feet on lintel and above to the rooftop. Okay, this is a complete one, and go to trim like this. Ground floor is ready. Ground floor is very must. You have to know how to draw. Okay, this one is ready. It's really amazing. And this is my window section, this is my door section. I have to offset to window section on 4 feet because my window section is 4 feet cross 4 feet. Okay, this is my door section, and I want to more like the same distance on top of the area because this is a 10 feet and it's a G+1 floor plan. That's why I want to choose top of the area. It's accurately 10 feet. Okay, I want to same copy to top area. Okay, and then here comes to the left side to the room. The room is 10 feet, so I want to draw like this. It's a 10 feet, and here comes to my top of the elevation roof. Here's 1 feet. Here's 6 inch. Here comes 12 feet. Sorry, 10 feet plus 1 feet because the outer side of the wall. So 11 feet totally. Give the line and draw to the downward. It's a 6 inch thick, and here comes to 1 feet thick. Here comes to draw the line. Okay, it's ready to draw the elevation. We finished like this, and then go to the elevation design whatever you want. Here I present to my outlines. Here I want to draw like this. First of all, I want to change join command. It's very easy to take offset. Okay, it's ready to offset. It's my window section. Then this is my door section. I want to choose to copy like this on top of the area because here comes also very important one thing of window section. Then I want to change like this, same thing of copy to here.
இங்க வருது.
Okay, it's finished to this area. This is my door section. Okay, I want to draw some elevation designs on my exterior area. First of all, I choose this 6" to top section. It gets some distance of the elevation detail. Then I go to draw some circle on the exterior side. Then I go to take the elevation design like this. Our elevation design is our wish, how to want to our design, like whatever think about to do. Okay, I finished to this line. Just draw easily. It's not tough, it's very easy one. You have to practice on every day because it's very new to watch the first video, the first ever thing. Some guys also, it's not extended. Okay, our elevation is ready. Here I want to draw some steps. Okay, it's ready. I just make a ground floor area. I just show like this. Copy to like this. Then go to copy this ground level symbol. Okay, it's ready to take elevation of this. It's very nice. And here we're going to take a section area here. So first of all we have to take some section area on this area. Take the line. I take the polyline because the thick line is must. So take the polyline and click this line and go to the change the thickness. I choose the width. I choose to thickness 3 inch start and end is 3 inch. It gets some thickness. So you have to, this dotted line is easy. And go to get some arrow. So polyline is also same the take off to the polyline, and with starting is 0, ending is 6 inch. 6 inch is very small. So take polyline, click, and with starting is 0, ending is 1 feet 6 inch. It gets some large. Go to more like this. Okay, this is A section, so I choose to text on A. It's A. The same one is copies to here. Okay, here's we cut to this sections. First of all we watch to whatever presented on inside this house. So same option, construction line XL, enter, go to the vertical line, go to through this area and this one, and go to this one and this one, also this wall, also this window section. Here comes the lintel also. Okay, we finished this this line, and I want to extend it like this, and then after I just want to trim. First of all I take the basement level. This is my basement level, and take my lintel level, and then I take parapet level, and then take my lintel level, it's first floor, and then I take my parapet level. Okay, it's finished, and then going to trim these unwanted lines. Okay, it's finished. Here I want to place some hatches. Here comes some concrete or bricks on inside the wall and the floor, you know. So I want to place some hatches. It's my ground level. I already draw. This is my basement level. Here's some concrete thickness. Like this. Okay, it is first of all sand filling and floor concrete here. Okay, first of all I just choose my sand filling. So I want to choose the hatch command. Here go to select the sand. This is A or sand. I just choose like this and click the interior sections, and then click and give the scale size is 1. This one is very small thing, just 2 3. It's very nice. And go to the offset thickness is 6 inches. It's the floor concrete.
இங்கே போடு வாழை வச்சு மிஷினில் போட்டு வீட்டில் போட்டு இங்கே போடு.
Okay, and then go to the hatch command, and then go to the floor concrete. Choose to concrete and place down inside the floor, because it's a floor, that's why it's a floor concrete. I just choose merge to the thickness 0.5 size. It's nice. And then go to draw whatever it is here placed. It's a door side and it's a window side. The same actually placed on there, and then it's a brick. This is a floor concrete. The same as well as present on here, as well as same here. First of all, we choose. I want to delete like this because it's not coming to top. This also. Here I take some 6 inches and delete it after like this.
எப்படி பார்க்க
6 inch.
அதை வெள்ளம் பார்த்துட்டேன்.
Here we place the same AR concrete here, and also here come to the AR concrete like this. This place like this. Okay, it's finished. And then go to the brick and place it over to inside the room and wall. First of all, I want to choose this wall and take the brick section. It's a crossover section, so you have to choose like a imaginary part. So you have to choose like imaginary. This is a steel section. This is not set. To change this, the scale size I have to 1 to 10. It's 10 is presented is nice. This is also nice. This is also nice. The same place are presented on top of the area. Before you have to choose these hatches, you have to draw whatever present on the window section also. So you have to choose these windows here. So you have to draw this on all section.
காய்கறிலாம் வருதா
Here lintel level, I just take offset 4 feet. Okay, and then choose like this.
ஆமாம் வண்டியில் வந்தானே வண்டியில் வந்து
Here hatches presented interior, and here all area. The same window section is copied to top of the section and just place it over here. Here it comes to some lintel area, sunshade. So you have to draw like this.
ஆமாம் மீன் கூட விற்கணும்
Like this, and here also. And going to delete this line. It's finished. Door. So you have to show this door is a very important one. Okay, so I want to copy this door on like this, to move like this. And then I want to change my door backside view. Okay, same as well as copy to move on top floor as well as same. Okay, we finish two sections and go to the sections on detailing. First of all, we choose this sand filling and concrete floor, same well as copy to draw like this, or you have to want to text your own way. Okay, this is sand filling. And this is you want to draw or text like this. This is used to this leader. Give the leader and click to the interior sections of the floor. Just click like this and go to the floor concrete. The ratio is 1:2:4. Want to choose to draw like this, you have to just copy to place there, or you text your own way. Okay, we just finished the elevation and section of this plan. Keep continually watching our tutorials. We just post it to next video on continues this detailing floor and footing detailing, basement level and legends. Finally we just place to the all detailing and detailing and scheduling. We just finished to the next tutorial video, so keep watching. If you have to useful like this, you have to please subscribe and give the like, share and comment also. Keep watching our channel, give the support. You have any doubt, please comment, give the comment sections. 424/7 so easily understood our CAD syllabus. So you have to learn anything software, please give the comment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.